This 2024 CrossRoads Redwood RW4001LK Redwood 2024 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new CrossRoads is 42 feet 10 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, sleeps 4, Skylight, microwave, oven, Colorado Detector, slideout, stovetop burner, DVD player, refrigerator, spare tire kit, water heater, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 CrossRoads Redwood RW4001LK Redwood 2024 is 15,088 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.